Hi there, today we're introducing our flow wrap and polo packing machine. The maximum output is 180 bags per minute. It features a high-precision servo feeder, faster and more stable operation. Also comes with an intelligent detection system for accurate feeding. With the maximum filled weight of 350 mm, it's ideal for packing blister plates, salt, and bread, etc. Our full servo traction system ensures precise conveying, and the servo circulation cutter prevents damage to the materials. We offer global on-site service for installation, debugging, and training, ensuring a worry-free experience. For more detail, contact Rich Packing.